Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Acorns tax forms for investors. To download your Acorns tax forms as an investor, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Acorns website at www.acorns.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to access your account. Enter your registered email address and password in the required fields. After filling in your credentials, click the login button to enter your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the Investing tab or section. Click on that tab to find more options related to your investments. Scroll down to locate the Tax Documents or Tax Forms option. Click on Tax Documents to view your available tax forms. You may see various forms, such as the 1099, which reports your investment earnings. Select the year for which you need the tax forms. Once you select the year, click on the form you need to download. This will open the document in a new window or as a downloadable file. If it opens in a new window, look for the download icon or button. Click the download icon to save the file to your computer. If it downloads directly, check your browser's download folder. Once downloaded, you can open the file to review your tax information. Make sure to keep a copy for your personal records. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Acorns customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.